Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? How are you all? Hopefully fine. It's good. Let's start the today's lecture from Unit 3, Office Automation, Topic 3.1.7, that is Format Text, from book page 69 to 71. Student learning outcome for this topic, it is you will be able to format the text and we can apply the text formatting options, paragraph and page formatting. So let's start. What is format text? Actually, format text is to create and design effective documents. For this, we have different types of formatting options available over here in Home tab, in Font group, and Paragraph group, and other related options are present in Page Layout tab of MS Word. So let's start with the first type of formatting, that is text format. Here it is, the first type of formatting, that is formatting text. What is the command flow for this formatting? It is first one. We have to select the text for which we are going to apply different types of these font settings under formatting text option. So first we have to type that text and then select it. After text selection, we have to make active the Home tab, which is actually present here. You can see that is your first tab of MS Word 2007 onward. From this Home tab, we will find this font group, that is second group over here, and here we have all the option of this group, and these group options are labeled over here with their command names. So let's start with the first type of this option, that is font type, and it is also known as font face. So on the selected text, when we want to apply different type of font faces, we will use this font type command button, and here we have the arrow on which we can click, and we will see a list of installed font faces which are installed during the installation of Office package, and we can apply different types of fonts as per a requirement, and we can apply different type of font sizes on the selected text. Then comes increase decrease of option, increase decrease font size option, and by default it will increase your selected text by 2 points, 2 point font sizes. And then comes the next option, that is change case option, and here in this change case option we have 5 types of change cases, starting with the first one, that is sentence case. Sentence case, when we apply on this on any selected text, what happens with that text? Actually, the first letter of that sentence will be capitalized and rest of all text will be in lower cap or small letters. Then comes the second type of font change case option, that is lowercase. Here your selected text will become in lower letters, and uppercase will change your selected text in all the upper caps. Each word, each capitalize each word. This option will apply as with its name, that all the words of your sentence will capitalize the first letter. In the selected sentence, the first letter of each word will be capitalized. Here, as we have C capitalize, E of each capitalized, W of O capitalized. So the selected sentence will also have such case. Then comes the toggle case. In toggle case, your first letter will be toggled to in its case. It means if your first letter is smaller or lowercase, then that letter will be capitalized in every word of that sentence. And rest of the characters, if present in lowercase, they will become in capital letters. And if the letters are in small size, then they will become in uppercase. So these are all change case options which are present in the font group of Home tab. Then comes the next option, that is applying the formatting. Selected formatting. If we have applied on certain text and we want to copy that formatting and apply on other text, then we will use this option. Then comes the rest of the options. These are here: bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript, and superscripts. These are all the font styles that we can apply on our selected text. Then comes text effects and typography that we can apply on our selected text. Here you can see that these are different styles, different effects that we can apply, and every effect has its sub-related other types of effects that we can apply on the text. Then comes the text highlight color, and font color that we can apply on the text. So to sum up the points, we have learned about the tab, font group of Home tab, and here we can find different types of font faces installed over here, and the shortcut for this is Control Shift F that we can apply on the selected text, and this box will be active, so we will select the required font face. Then comes font size, and this is your decrease font sizes. Then comes your font cases, change case option, and here it is your clear or formatting that you have applied on certain text. And then comes the font styles, then comes font effects, text effects and typography, highlight and text colors. So, and here it is more important, that is your dialog launcher. When we click on this button, the font dialog box will appear on the screen, and all these options are present over here in this dialog box that we can select as per our requirements. So this is all about font formatting in MS Word from Home tab font group. So students, you are all here and you have found the lecture of this topic. Now you can revise this lecture, you can rehearse this lecture and point down all the important points of this lecture, and you can comment if you have any question, any query. These will be answered as soon as possible. Okay, thank you. Stay safe.